Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create a dynamic beam effect in your videos on CapCut. So this effect is now trending on CapCut, and here's how you can apply it. So first, you just need to go straight to the effect and click on the video effects. And the dynamic beam effect can easily be found under the trending. Okay, just scroll down. This one, or you can also find it on the nightclub category. Okay, click on the effect and adjust it if you want. You can adjust the intensity, the range of the effect, the speed, and also the horizontal. And after that, just click on the check icon, and now the effect will be applied to your clips. This is the result. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.